We are back here at the Zuni waffle test garden in a windstorm, sort of, come and going. We're trying to get this, I think they call it humus at where we got it, but it's basically just decomposed bark pieces. Lots of different things like that from the forest in the redwood forest from Northern California. Humus is like organic matter. Out here, that's what's missing. We have sand. So, by introducing this, it gives our soil water holding ability or capability. Hopefully that'll make our water last a little longer, and on top of holding on to the water and everything, it should help hold on to the nutrients, add a little long release fertilizers when it decomposes over time. So this is $44 a yard. Alright, so at $44 a yard, I had to stop and we had to figure out the math for like half a second. I should have kept on recording, it would have been hilarious. But there are 27 cubic feet in 1 cubic yard. Therefore, when you go to the store, well, for math's easy sake, say at one of the big box stores, you spend $12, $11 on 3 cubic feet of soil. That means you would need 9 of them to equal what we just got. So 9 times 11 is 99. We basically just saved a little over 50%. Not bad if you have the capability to haul it and are willing to haul it yourself.
Do not have them haul it for you. They charge way too much money.
How much was it again they charged? They wanted to charge us?
$200.
For delivery no matter what, how much we got, right?
Yes, but it could get up to, I believe, 10 yards on the truck.
Yeah, so... Gosh, I hope you can hear me right now, but we'll see. So, this stuff right here is exactly what I'm unloading from the truck right now. Bianca is unloading from the truck right now, and it's about 6 months old. So the thing is that's amazing about this stuff is that it continues to decompose if it has moisture in it over time. So with the awesome rains we've had, you know, and the fact that it's been sitting in this box, and there was a lot of it, it decomposes. So let's take a look at that. So all these big bark pieces are really hard to decompose. But the awesome thing is down here. If we get into the deeper areas, you can see that it's not mostly large barks, but it has a lot of fines in it too. Particles are really fine. Right there. So over time, and not that much time, and with a lot more moisture than I'm willing to give it, it'll break down. So, by burying it in the soil and having it, you know, cut with some sphagnum moss maybe, we're going to put some perlite in it. It will hold moisture, help aerate it because of all these large, you know, chunks and everything. And also, over time, break down and become a better quality soil. That's really what's amazing about composting like humus and organic matter, is that it's how the world works on its own. And it's a, you know, great thing. $44 a yard. I wish I could get 10 yards delivered, but I'm too much of a cheapskate to do it. And I can't drop like $400, $500 on soil. I can do it for gravel for a road, but not for my garden. I almost forgot my rake. Wind's coming and going in really strong bursts now. We're pretty much losing like 75% of what's in the shovel going to the ground. So we've pulled the vehicle over to mostly a dead spot. I'm going to grab some of this scrap wood over here on the ground and just toss it on top to try to minimize my losses. And then tomorrow when, in the morning when the wind ain't so strong, I'll probably be out there shoveling it back out somewheres. The rest of this stuff is probably going to just start composting itself for now. Maybe I'll just toss it in the corner of the zuni waffle garden, see what happens. I also picked up, not too bad, it was like $15 for just some worm castings. It's way more than 5 pounds. I don't know, it just goes by its volume, 12 quarts. I've never seen that before for worm castings. But I don't got a scale either, so it's more than 5 pounds, less than 30. That's the closest approximation I can get with mass. That is all I have for right now. It's Friday. I'm excited. I'm going to go inside, have a nice relaxing evening with the family. Probably play video games with the wife or something like that. Things adults do these days, right? I hope the weekend treats you well. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Have a good evening, alright? See you soon.